We are going to make waffles. Do you like waffles? They are so amazing. And I'm gonna put some strawberries, blueberries, and some syrup. For this recipe, I'm gonna use 1 3/4 cup of flour, AP flour. We have it right here, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is so easy to make at home. I'm also gonna add like 3 tablespoons of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt. Don't buy a frozen waffle, please do not do that. You can make it at home. Anyway, after that, just give it a stir. And I'm gonna use 3 eggs. I'm gonna separate the egg from the yolk. That's very easy to do. You can use your clean hand. Just put the yolks on a little container. And we're gonna add the 3 yolks to the mixture right here. And I'm also gonna add 1 1/2 cup of milk. We have it right here. You can use 2% if you want. Do not use 1%. Use like whole milk right here. 1 3/4 cup. I'm sorry of milk. 1/3 cup of oil. Some people put butter. Maybe next time we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna mix right here all the egg whites until they are like creamy. Probably around like 3 or 4 minutes. That's all we want to do. And we're gonna fold that into the mixture right here. But before that, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. Just give it a 30-second mix. And this could be a good breakfast for a Saturday or Sunday. You don't want to eat this every day. This is just, on the weekends. Now we have the mixture, but make sure you use a spoon to mix everything because there's some like flowers on the bottom. We have all these egg whites and just mix it for like 2 minutes. We want to fold it. I never had waffle. I like pancakes, but the waffle, they're very interesting. But I see a lot of people buying them in the supermarket. They buy like 10 boxes, and like they're frozen. They've been there for a long time. You need a waffle machine. This is supposed to be the best waffle machine. I bought it online, and I paid like $100. You know what? It's very, very good. I like to spray it with butter and flour, and I think we're ready to make waffles. We're gonna start putting a little bit in the center. And what I like about this machine is that it has a 6 setting. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends. Some people like their waffle like light color, almost like yellow. I like it like brown color. So I just put the lid here, and I'm gonna set it on number 3. Number 3 is gonna give it a dark color. That's what I'm looking for, a dark color. 3 minutes. Do not open, do not close it, just give it a time. And right here we have our first waffle. You can get out of like maybe around 7 or 8 waffle with these ingredients. By the way, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients written in the information box of this video. And we're gonna spray it one more time. And then we just keep making more waffle. My wife liked it a lot. I enjoy it so much. And I think I'm gonna keep making waffle now. There's so many recipes for making waffles. Some people use butter, some people use yeast. Anyway, but the best thing is to make it at home and to not buy it frozen. Now, if you make a lot of waffle, you can put them in the freezer for maybe. Do not leave it there for 1 year. Just put it back in the toaster. And now you just put some strawberry, blueberry, add a little bit of simple syrup like water, sugar, and then you can add maple syrup, or you can put this kind of syrup right here. And that's how you make waffle. Thank you so much. I hope you give it a try. Do not forget to subscribe, give it a like, and come back again.